Have you ever wondered what it really takes for a local company to get a perfect reputation? Well, today we're diving into Xtreme Clean. They're a company down in Polk County, Florida, and it looks like they've totally cracked the code. So let's break down exactly how they're doing it. Okay, so the very first thing that jumps out from all the data is this, a 5-star rating. And look, this isn't just a one-off lucky review on some random site. We're talking consistently, review after review. In the world of home services, it's almost unheard of. I mean, one tough job, one bad day, and your reputation can take a hit. So maintaining a perfect score like this, it tells you right away that this company is doing something very, very different.
So it really all comes down to one word: trust. Xtreme Clean has really positioned itself as the go-to specialist in the Winter Haven area. But here's the thing. Trust isn't just given to you. It has to be earned. So the big question is, what are they doing to inspire that kind of confidence in their customers? Let's find out.
Well, to answer that question, first we need to get a handle on the full scope of what they offer. And it's not just one or two things. We are talking about a whole spectrum of services that covers, well, pretty much everything, from the normal, everyday stuff to the truly extreme. So what's actually on that list? Just take a look at this list. I mean, you see the stuff you'd expect, right? Carpet cleaning, tile and grout, wood floors. But that's kind of where normal stops. Did you see they specifically call out mattress cleaning? Come on, most of us don't even think about cleaning our mattresses, but we probably should. And then you get into the really tough jobs, like pet stain and odor removal, which, can be an absolute nightmare. And it goes even further into super specialized areas like post-construction cleanup and even sensitive biohazard situations. So yeah, this isn't just a cleaning company. This is a team of problem solvers, ready for pretty much anything you can throw at them. And this all brings us to a really important concept that's at the heart of their whole approach: restorative cleaning. Now, this isn't just some buzzword they made up for a brochure. It's a totally different philosophy. See, they're not just wiping off the surface dirt. They're using special techniques to actually bring the materials, we're talking carpet fibers, tile grout, furniture fabric, back to their best possible condition. It's almost less like cleaning and more like rehabilitation for your home. Okay, so that whole philosophy of restoration, that's a huge piece of the puzzle. But it's not the entire story behind those 5-star reviews. So what else is going on here? What really sets them apart? Let's dive into what the source material calls the Xtreme Clean difference. And here it is, one of the biggest factors, and it's all about the personal touch. You see, the reviews don't just praise the company in general, they praise the owner, Jack, by name. Over and over again, you see words like professionalism and punctuality. I mean, think about it. In this day and age of automated phone systems and faceless services, having the actual owner show up at your door, someone who's personally invested in doing a great job, that is a huge, huge signal of trust. That commitment to quality doesn't just stop at the service. It goes all the way down to the products they're actually using in your home. And this right here is a massive differentiator, especially if you're concerned about what's being spread around your family. This slide really shows a stark contrast. On one side, you've got your typical harsh, maybe even toxic chemicals. And on the other, Xtreme Clean's choice, eco-friendly, all-natural formulas. So what does all-natural really mean for you? It's actually pretty simple. It means the whole cleaning process is safe for the most vulnerable members of your family, your kids and your pets. It means you're not left with harsh chemical smells or worrying about what kind of residue is left behind. You see, it's not just about getting a clean home. It's about having a healthy home. And that's a kind of peace of mind you can't really put a price on. Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. We know the services they offer and the key things that make them so top-rated. So now, let's get to the how. If you're thinking you want to connect with these pros, here's all the info you're going to need. So here it is, all the key information in one place. Their service area is Winter Haven and the greater Polk County area. The phone number is 863-412-4862, and you can find them online at xtremecleanflorida.com. And here's something I think is really important to point out. While their standard hours are Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, the source material says they can make special arrangements. That just shows a real commitment to actually working around their customers' schedules, which is awesome.
So there you have it. We've broken it all down. The perfect reviews, that philosophy of restoration, the commitment to safe and natural products. It really seems like the Xtreme Clean difference is built on a solid foundation of trust and genuine expertise. So the final question really isn't just about getting your floors clean. It's about whether you're ready to experience what it's like to have them truly restored.